Hello friends, today we have HCF and LCM of numbers, problem number 2. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like Bank PO, MBA, CAT, MAT, GMAT, MCA, Railway exam, bank recruitment, UPSC, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. Find the greatest number which on dividing 1657 and 2037 leaves remainders 6 and 5 respectively. So find the greatest number. We can say that required number is equal to HCF of 1657 minus 6 and 2037 minus 5. This is equal to HCF of 1651 and 2032. So if we will find HCF of 1651 and 2032, then we will get the required number. So for finding the HCF, we divide 2032 by 1651. So dividing this 1 times 1651, remainder 381. Now 651 divided by 381. So 4 times we have 1524, remainder 127. So 127 and 381 divide by 127. Now 3 times we have 381 and now this time remainder is 0. So we can say that required number is equal to 127, because 127 is the HCF of this one 1651 and 2032. So required number is 127. It means our answer is 127. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos.